holes for the tenons. So we're going to create the sketch. We're going to select the faces where we're going to create it. So this face and this face, but we're going to start with that one. So we're going to just zoom in into that side. So pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in. And then I am going to create a guide. So from the center, and you know that is the center because you have that delta sign. That means you are in the center of that distance from here to here. So there you go, delta, perfect. And then from that middle point, I'm going to go down about 45. And then over here, double click there and change it to 45. Now I'm going to select the center rectangle, click and drag. It's going to be 8, tab 25, and press return. You're going to apply the fillet to the sides like we did before with the tenon. And these are the perforations that you will be doing with your domino joiner. So we said that the radius there will be 3.8, and then we'll enter. So we have that shape. Well, it says constraints and or dimensions were removed during operation. That's fine. So also, the more constricted a shape is, so you see all these little white icons, those are constrictions. So the more constricted something is, the more issues you're going to have when creating an extrusion or something like that. So sometimes I prefer to remove them. Sometimes it doesn't really matter, but because this is such a small shape, take this shape and then I want to duplicate it. So if you go into create, over here there is rectangular pattern. So if you click on that, it's going to allow you to create, in this case I just want, 2 repetitions of these over here, not 3, 2. So now we have 2, 1, and then drag another, and that's 110, and we hit OK. So now that we have that, we're going to finish, and then we're going to go into the isometric view, and then click on extrude, click on that, and that, and then we're going to just push back. So if the tenon is 40, then we're going to have 20 on one side and 20 on the other. So let's say it's 21. In the real world, it will be a little bit deeper, or 25, to allow for the glue and other things to fit in there. But let's say 21 because this is the digital world and there's no glue. Nice. So now we have 20 on that side, and now we're going to go back and do the other joints on this face. So now we press save, and we're going to do exactly the same with the cross rail and the end rail.